Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma on Tuesday said that the government has plans to set up a Shillong campus of the Capt. Williamson Sangma State University. A delegation of the Hinyo Treb Youth Council called on the Education Minister yesterday and submitted a 6-point memorandum which included the demand for a Shillong campus. On the HYC's demand for a new state university in Shillong, the minister said that the government's focus is presently on starting the Capt. Williamson Sangma State University.
We have just started the first state university. We have to start well and then finish well first. Then we will this is something to be discussed at the later stage. So they have made it. They have apprised the government for this, but this is something that let's start our first state university well first.
So when is the